即将哎，即将进来吗？这个。Hey guys.
So I'm gonna get his iPad. iPad, yeah, and what pencil?
Apple pencil.
Apple
You always get that
pencil
wrong.
this time.
Apple pencil. So let's go.
Look at this guy. See, he's dancing his chicken dance. Come. Just make sure that they have stock, huh? If no stock, how? If no stock, how?
Tomorrow come early.
What color are you going to choose, by the way?
Silver.
Silver,
Silver color.
Silver color, okay.
Let's get my Jatra.
Oh, my Sujata X. And now he's super excited. This one, oh yes. Are you going to buy a keyboard?
No.
No. Apple Pencil?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Apple Pencil and iPad. You really can't believe him. Excited.
Okay.
Calm down. Chill. We're waiting for someone to pay first.
Let's look at the new iPhone.
Let's go.
Purple.
Purple 很好看耶。
But it's so small.
OK， 我觉得 OK 有 small 其实真的 compact。Like what ah?
And my friend.
Like your friend.
That's so cool.
This color is nice.
No, this one is 12.
That one is 12 Pro, is it? 12 Pro.
Email 即将哎，即将进来吗？这个。
有，这我也是应该哦，现在买这个。Pay money, guys.
A few moments later.
Finally bought my own iPad after wanting it for so long. I'm going to make an unboxing video after this, so I'm not going to open it first. So yeah, I got my iPad.